Welcome back to Ready Controls. In this video we going to quickly talk about how to change the font size. If you look at my setup currently, I have small font size, and if we want to increase the font size, so we were working on this one. If you want to increase the font size, we go to tools, options, font and color. You could change it to, you could keep it Arial, or you could select whichever font you want here. I like the Vardena, and then increase the font size to 12, apply, which is a lot better to see. And some of the other setup which I like most of the time is the display. We'll just quickly go through all this. This is where your project default directory is. You could change it to wherever you want, and you could change your number of backups to 2. Nothing much here. On the display, you could increase your width and you make it 30. That way it defines the whole description. Display will be wide enough so you could see the whole name. Verification, it's leave it default. This is the default data type. You could just leave it double int. And on the ladder editor, on the display, you could show, I will not touch any of them, but the font and color, if you want to look at the rung comments, you could make the rung comments more of a green color. Black, green, and you could change this to black to change it to black and apply. That way all your comments will show up. Where is my comment? In the IO mapping, so the comment shows up in green with black background. So these are some of the setup options which I like setting it up. Please post in comments what is your favorite setup. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.